Hello, my dear students and friends. After 3 or 4 days, I am going to create a video, and since the session is going to be ended up, and new session is coming up in April probably. And before that, I want to bring a video on platform on which we'll write Python programs and pandas. So though we have been using Python for 3 to 4 years, and during that period, I have been using Jupyter. I have been using ideally integrated development learning environment of Python, and Jupyter. This is a notebook where this consists of numerous cells, and the code is written within this cell, within these cells, and we used to run the programs. And this time I am going to introduce a new platform, that is Google Collab, or you can say the Google Collaboratory. So we'll do the programs in Python from this time in Collaboratory or Google Collaboratory. So to work in the Google Collaboratory, this is very beneficial. Why? First point is Google Collaboratory is online platform. The people who are working already in Jupyter notebook, you can say Google Colab is the online Jupyter notebook. But the biggest benefit is whichever program you create in Google Collaboratory is stored in Google Drive. Why in Google Drive? Because this product is given by Google only. So it is beneficial for the students, beneficial for the programmers if they want to learn machine learning, Python programming, pandas, and yes, an add-on. Google Collaboratory has many modules already installed. Like if you want to do pandas with Python, you don't have to say pip install pandas, because pandas library is already installed in Jupyter. Similarly, Numpy is already installed in Google Colab. Matplotlib is already installed in Google Colab, and whatever you are going to create in Collaboratory will be stored in Google Drive. So we'll be starting how to start with Google Collaboratory. So what we are going to do here, first we move to our Drive. So here this is my Drive, Google Drive, and over here I am in my Drive folder, and in my Drive folder there is another folder which I have created, Python programming, and in this folder I am going to install Jupyter notebook. So what to do, how to install Jupyter notebook? Just right click here and click on more options. And here you will see Google Collaboratory. So you have to click this icon here, and gradually it is loaded and memory and using browser. And this interface you'll see when you create notebook in Google Drive. So this is through Google Drive, but if you want to load Google Collaboratory directly without going to Google Drive, you can easily go to Google Collaboratory by writing collab.research.google.com on browser or Omnibox of Google Chrome. So this is the interface. The first thing which is important for you, that you must give a permanent name or suitable name to your notebook. For example, I'm just going to give demo, and this is my program name. Okay, and this is the file menu. In the file menu, we have same options like locate in drive, open playground mode, new notebook, open notebook, upload notebook. Because we write the program in Google Colab, in some cases we'll have to upload the file, and sometimes we'll have to load the file or save the file in Google Drive also, so that it can be stored permanently there and later you can use them. Secondly, if you see after main menu, we have two tabs here. One is code and other is text. So basically, code tab is meant for writing the code, and if you want to write the program in Google Collaboratory, so you can click on this tab, and if you want to write the text related to the code, you can write it. So this is very beneficial for us to write the code as well as the text related to the code. So most of the users or most of the people used to write the text before writing the code. So how to write the code and how to write the text, it depends, because when you click on tab text like this, so here there are many options, and if you want to know how many commands are there to write the text or format the text, suppose this is the program I am going to write. This is the program. This script is in simple text, and if you want to apply some effect, you can apply. And one important thing is here, that if you have the idea of HTML, all those tags can work while writing the text here. For example, suppose this is the program. If I how to execute it, either you press Control and enter, Shift or enter. So this cell is executed and its output is, this is the program. And if you want to add this cell again, you just double click it. So you are again here in text box, and here you can rewrite or amend the text. And suppose if you want to give the bold impact to this text, simply write Angular B like this, HTML tag for bold /B, and simply press Shift and enter key. So see, this text becomes bold. And if you want to give the underline, if you want to underline this text, again double click this text and press or write tag /u in the end and /u in the u in the beginning, and press Shift and enter. So this text will be underlined and bold. And if you want to apply headers here, you can apply header also. For example, H1, the biggest heading, close the tag and press shift and enter. So this is the biggest heading. So you can use H1 to H6 tags for giving the bold impact to your text. Okay. Now we come to, and if you want to know more about text and commands which you want to use while writing the text, a file or a notebook is already created by Collab, Google Collab. This is Markdown guide. If you want to learn Markdown guide commands, you can learn it from here. So I'll give the link of this Markdown guide is in the comment box or description box, so you can see it, and if you want to learn it, you can download it and open in the browser. Hope this is clear. So back to the notebook. Sorry, this is my notebook. Now I want to write the code. So how to write the code? The first code which I am going to write here in Python, which is the first code of Python program, is hello world. So how to write it? I'll just simply write print hello world and simply press shift and enter. Initially, or in first glance or in first attempt, you'll see it takes time. Why? Because Google allots the server to this program. So initially it takes time, and later, as soon as you write the programs, it runs in a very fast speed. So you will have to wait when we write the first program, and after that we'll see the result in very fast manner. So this way you can use the collab. Now, if you want to upload the program, you can store the program in your system, and if you want to upload that program in collab, you simply, what to do here, go to this place, file, and over here you can upload the file. Which file? I'm just, for the sake of example, I'm going to, and suppose if I have the file, let me check, matches.csv, if this file is here. No, file is not here. Let me check another CSV file, star.csv. I'm going to search star.csv. Okay, it is here, store.csv. Suppose this or 11d test CSV I want to upload. Eleventh D CSV. 11d unit test.csv. 11d unit dot CSV. D unit test dot CSV. 11d unit test dot csv. File name is not correct. Let me search here. Star.csv. So it's not showing here. Let me store. Upload file will get deleted when the runtime is recycled. Okay. So store.csv file is uploaded. And I don't know what's the use of store.csv, and since this is of no use of any use of this, I do not want to use this, but I wanted to show how to upload the file. So this way I can upload the file store.csv. And one thing you should remember, as soon as this session is handed up, or session gets up, or a session gets ended, then this file goes off. Why? Because this is a temporary session, and as soon as you finish this session, whatever you have uploaded will be lost. So better way is to upload or mount the drive. So how to mount the drive? This is the way how you can mount the drive. Click on the drive, Google Drive letter icon here, and click it, and this way permit this notebook to access your Google Drive files. So connect this drive to Google Colab, and this time your Google Drive is mounted in Colab. So whatever program you write will be stored in the drive, or where you have installed the notebook. And so better way is to mount the drive first, then you write your programs in Colab. So this is very handy, and this is very easy how to write the program in Google Colab. So whenever you want to write the program in Python, you are advised that you should run those programs in Google Colab. And the plus point is, if you want to share the program with your peer group, or if you want to collaborate your code with your friends, then you can use the share button here. So as soon as you click on the share here, you can give the name of the people who with you want to collaborate this program. So suppose I want to give the name like GE Kissing at gmail.com. It means this, whichever I am writing here, I am sharing with GE Kissing. Now at the same time, GE Kissing can also open this program and edit the program then and there. So this is the benefit, and this is the plus point which is not available in offline mode. The biggest benefit of using Google Colab, that this is online and you can share the program with your peer group. You can share the program, or you don't have to copy this program in pen drive or in your computer. And suppose if you want to show your project and you go to somewhere else, then you don't have to carry your computer. Rather, you can carry your laptop. But if suppose the condition is that you cannot carry your laptop, you can go to the destination and use the computer system, and over there log into your ID and go to Drive, Google Drive, and from Drive you can upload your program or project. And this platform is basically used in data science and machine learning. So this is because nobody is here to carry the laptop or computer all the time, and that is why students or the professionals used to do the program in Google Colab, and wherever they go, they log into Google Drive, and there they can open their project and show it to whom they want to show this project. So hope this is you can understand this concept of Google Collaboratory. So means if you want to write the program, and this is the best platform to write the programs in Python, and if you want to write Pandas programs, you can write in Pandas using Google Collaboratory. And there are so many libraries are there which are already installed in this. So hope this is quite handy and quite easy, and you understand the concept of Google Collaboratory. And if you face any problem, let me know, and I'll give you the link of Markdown guide in the description box. From there you can learn the commands of how to write the text in Google Colab, so that code as well as text you can write in Google Collaboratory. So we'll meet in the next program or next video. And if you like this program, kindly share and subscribe, and write the comment if you have any, so that I can improvise the videos. Thank you and bye-bye.